Hi, this is Paramita. Today I'm going to discuss about integration testing and the types of different integration strategies, Stub, driver, how to use those, all this stuff. Okay. Now, what is integration testing? Integration testing means this is a level of testing where we test the connection between different modules. Like in a typical software development, what happens? We develop the software in different modules. Different developers develop different modules, and after that, we integrate all the modules together. Now, in integration testing, we do test that integration, like how they're coupling with each other. If there is any mistake in the process of coupling, whether they are coupling properly or not, there can be mistake, there can be error, so we have to find those defects, and that's why we do the integration testing. Now here integration testing can happen in two levels, like it can happen before system testing and after system testing also. Before system testing, what happens? uh, when we develop all the units and the modules, and then we have to couple all the modules before the system testing. So that times we do one integration testing, and after system testing also it may happen that we have to couple the whole system application with some other third party application, with some other databases, like this. So there also we have to do system integration testing. Okay, so these are two types of integration testing can happen in two times. But there are some integration strategies. What are these? There are mainly three types of integration strategies. One is called Big Bang, then top down and bottom up. What are those? In Big Bang integration testing, what happens? All units are linked at once, resulting in a complete system. Now, here it's quite risky actually, because all units are linked once, so there will be possibilities that some defects will not be revealed. It's quite risky. Then later on, they can create system failure. Okay, so Big Bang is not a very good approach actually. And then top down. In top down integration strategy, the system is built in stages, starting with the components that call other components. And the bottom up is just opposite this top down. I'll just show you a diagram, then it will be more clear. Yeah. Suppose these all are module, like this is module A, module B. So these all are different modules here. So in top down, what happens? They start developing from the module A, and then in the diagram you can see that module A can call module B, module C, module D, and module B can call module F, like this. Okay, so now in this top down approach, what happens? Sometimes maybe we have to perform the integration testing. Most of the modules are already developed, but maybe one module, like suppose module C here, or maybe module H, it's not developed yet, but all other modules have been developed. So we don't want to delay our integration testing. We can start integration testing, because the purpose of integration testing is to test the how all the modules are communicating with each other. If there is any defect in this communication, we have to find out that. Okay, so we don't test the module here in integration testing. In integration testing, the purpose is to test the interaction between all these models. Okay, sorry, all these modules. Now, suppose if module H here at the bottom, if it's not ready yet, so what we will do, instead of module H, we will use a dummy program, a dummy module, okay, which normally we keep with us. So in place of H, we'll put a dummy module, and we'll just test that if this module G is calling module H properly or not. Okay, so that's how we can we can do the integration testing. We don't need to wait a long time till the program of module H is finished. Okay, so in this scenario, we will say that dummy program are Stub. In software testing exam and all, there is a very important question: what is Stub? What is driver? So this is called Stub. So in case of top down integration testing, if some sub modules is not developed yet, we can still carry on the integration testing using a Stub. Okay, now what is driver? If you see in the bottom up integration testing, the bottom up integration testing strategy is just opposite the top down integration strategy. Okay, so here maybe all the bottom modules are already developed, but some upper module, maybe the module A or maybe module C or module D or module E. Okay, any of these upper module is not developed yet. But we don't want to wait more time. We want to carry on our integration testing. So in that case, we can use a dummy program in place of module C, and we can carry on our integration testing. In this situation, this dummy program will be called driver. Okay, so this is the use of Stub and driver in top-down integration and bottom-up integration testing approach. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thanks.